Hello beauty squad, it's your girl TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel of all things life, love, and beauty. I hope you guys are staying warm. Here in LA, we are now officially dry, or it's not raining for the first time in a few days, and it just feels good. It's still cold, and we got a little bit of snow last week, which was rare and crazy. But it hasn't rained, I think, since Wednesday. So 3 days later, we are all loving it. But anyway, today I'm bringing you a video with a special guest. She's been on here before, but it's been a while, and she claims to be my manager, and I'm going to give her that title. And she's going to do my makeup today with some newer products that I have. Am I worried? A little bit. But I have no doubt that the end product is going to be absolutely beautiful. So before we get into my special guest today, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell so you know when my videos are uploaded. You're like, okay, LaTanya Kristina's on. I need to get to those crazy entertaining videos that she puts out. So twice a week. So, and I've been pretty good. I'm proud of myself. I've committed myself to the Wednesday and Sunday upload dates, and I'm thinking about adding another day, but we'll see, because it definitely takes time and commitment. So, but don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you guys think. Once you guys see the final product today, let me know what you think, if I should run for the hills, or we have a future makeup artist in the making. So say your prayer, y'all. Let's get started. So as promised, my special guest, and I said she was my manager, Jodi. She's picked out some items that, of course, they're great items because I bought them. But I let her pick the makeup, and she's gonna do it. So you wanna say something, Jodi? Hi?
Hi.
Okay. Lord Jesus. All right, so I've already done my eyebrows, and I prepped my eyes because I know she cannot do that. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm afraid. You wanna do, you can do it in whatever order you feel you wanna do it in. Foundation first.
Is that wrong?
It doesn't, you're doing this, not me.
How do you do this? Okay.
It's a stick. So you picked it. There you go. Okay, it's just a stick. It's a stick. Okay, you think that's enough coverage?
Not really.
Okay. Well, you don't have to, just apply more. Okay. Okay, circular motions. Oh, Jesus.
I've got this.
Okay. She says she got it. Yo. Okay. I mean, you're gonna, like, rub my skin off.
It's okay.
You didn't put any foundation on my forehead.
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I didn't blend it.
Oh, okay. Don't touch my eyebrows, girl. Be careful on my brows. It takes me time to do those brows. Oh, Lord Jesus.
You don't need eyebrows.
I do need
You
eyebrows.
can be like Jeffree Star. Go eyebrow lesson and then pick
that
them
suits him. Okay.
on.
I don't know, yo. Let me see. Okay.
Hey, no, you can't look.
Oh, okay. You might want to, yeah, blend that in a little better. I said blend. She adds more.
You need more.
Okay. I told you to watch my brows.
Your brows are fine.
I felt you grazed one of my brows.
No, I didn't.
You did.
No, I didn't.
Will you hurry up?
No.
We only have so much
This
time.
takes time.
Oh, Jesus.
Don't think this stick one was very good for me to use.
Well, Stick is easy.
No, it is not.
You're just
Not good.
you just need more practice.
Do I blend at your nose?
Yeah, you gonna put foundation everywhere but my nose? Just keep blending. Watch my brows.
Can I just take off your brows?
No, I need
don't.
brows.
I don't.
I do. I absolutely. Everybody needs brows except Jeffree Star. That works for him.
How do you?
No, you can see like okay. All right, that's not bad. All right,
Thank you.
shadow.
Wait.
Mm-hmm.
I thought you were supposed to conceal first.
You can. It's up to you. However you want to do it. Which palette are you using?
Oh, Chocolate Good by Too Faced.
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. Lord. Okay, well, here's some brushes to get started.
Would you like to know the colors I picked out 2 weeks ago?
You can just show them what colors you picked.
So, Live and Lavish,
The purple.
New Money,
Mm-hmm.
and then I think I picked Classy and Sassy for something.
All right, go for it.
Okay. What is this one for?
That's for the crease, and this is what you want to start with. It smells like chocolate. So you want to put that in the all over, like the top part.
What do you mean top part?
You're just gonna blend it in there in the crease in there.
What are you blending? It's just one color.
Yeah, but you still have to blend it.
I didn't get enough. How do you do this? It's gonna take me like 2 years.
That's because you haven't gotten there yet.
You know, you should do your makeup blindfolded one day.
I could probably do it blindfolded.
Or with no mirror.
Is it coming out better?
Sure.
Oh, yeah.
I saw that. You're not slick.
I wasn't trying to be slick. Okay, that's actually not bad. You, like, gonna put it all over? Okay.
I'm the artiste.
Okay. And you still haven't put concealer on me yet.
That's okay.
I mean, you don't have to.
Actually, you know what? Like, just... Yeah, you need concealer. You look a little tired.
I look tired every day. All the way down there. All the okay. Next eye.
Would you like me to go higher?
It's too late. You gotta keep it the same on both sides. Okay. Blend it out.
Ah!
Beauty blender to blend it out.
It was kind of late for you to tell me I had to keep it this. I'm good at this part.
What are you blending it into? You're blending it into my cheeks.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't keep being critiqued, okay? I'm just really good at this. Well, look up.
Yeah. Look up.
Did I just sponge your eyeball?
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Get it. You gotta get it all.
What do you mean get it all?
So like that's under my eye. You gotta get that.
Look up.
Blend. Blend it out. Okay. That's better. Oh, Jesus.
Doesn't it feel awkward, like weird on your eyeball?
Mm-mm.
Like something
It
just...
just felt like something hit it, that's all. Okay, then finish the other side. That's
Look
better.
up.
Okay, now what about this end? Like, see, it's you gotta blend it out.
What do you mean look at this end?
So, here, let me show you. Yeah, you gotta blend it out, right? You gotta apply some pressure, okay? And blend it out. Like, kind of like that. We're just gonna take it all the way. Now, do you want to use a setting powder to set this? Setting powder. Lord Jesus. So just take a little bit of this. Okay. And take this brush and just kind of dabble it out all over.
Is this a kabuki brush?
No, it is not.
Dang it.
It's a face brush.
Oh, you should get a kabuki brush. Wait, give me your kabuki brush. Didn't you have one somewhere?
I know. Tap off, yeah. I can't find it. Oh, Jesus.
Put too much.
All right.
How do I?
Just
I'm just under your
press
eye.
it. Just press it all over. Yeah, like that. And grab some more. Tap off the extra.
Hi, children. I have an obsession with brushes.
Yeah, she knows she has a problem with brushes is really what it is. So what do you want to do now?
Blush. This is a blush brush.
Yeah.
See? Tongue twister right there. Oh, by the way, this is my MAC card to get. Sorry. I'm gonna do... Wow.
Okay.
That looks like a birthmark.
It absolutely does. I mean, you have it just concentrated in one area. Okay, well, what about...
No, this side's too.
You're still on this side? Oh, okay. It's low, too. You know, blush goes on the cheeks. Okay. I think you should probably... Okay. Go to the other
I
side.
blended it out, okay? We have no more.
Well, you can always get some more.
And I kind of grabbed a lot, so,
Yeah, you did. You don't need that much.
You're gonna look a little red on one side.
Uh,
And then a little, like, pinky-ish. I don't know what this is.
well, it's kind of a... I don't know.
You look like a clown.
You did my makeup.
No, just the cheeks make you look like a clown.
Well, you did it. You did it.
Exactly. Wait. Okay. My favorite.
And you over here dropping stuff.
This is my favorite makeup artist, YouTuber person thingy, Jackie Aina. And so we're going to be mixing her highlighter.
Just leave it there.
I can't. We're going to be mixing her highlighter with Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero, right? Guerrero?
Yep, the Guerrero. Mm-hmm.
Glow Kit. Look, I'm so good at pronouncing things. I've been practicing for 2 weeks.
All right.
Video has been pushed back 2 weeks.
And here's a highlight brush.
And I'm going to show you guys which my favorite highlighter is. It's Forever Lit. Oh, that's really bright.
That's too close. Yeah. There you go. Forever Lit.
Like this?
Forever Lit
Like the,
is right here on the end here. That's Forever Lit.
right there on the end.
Okay.
I was covering your face. Oh, wait. Okay, so boom. Now, how do I mix it?
Well, first of all, that's too much. So you can tap that off and then dip it into Forever Lit. Highlight.
Jackie Aina kind of doled down Forever Lit, and I'm disappointed.
Then just do all Forever Lit.
We should go out somewhere.
I have another video to film.
Okay, then afterward, I'm going to make you take me to Bath and Body Works.
I'll have a whole different face on by then.
Rude. Hair's in my way.
It's a highlight. The hair, the highlight goes just above all that blush you put on.
That blush is amazing. Thank you very much. That's why you wanted to do this video first, because you thought I was gonna do that.
Oh yeah, okay, that's a decent highlight. Okay, all right, I think that's actually a pretty good highlight. Now I just need some lipstick and we're gonna be done.
We'll be back.
So she finished up my makeup with some gloss, something from Dose of Colors.
It was...
And this from Dose of Colors, this is Jazzy lip gloss and a lip pencil and some mascara. Not bad, right? The manager.
I'm Daughter.
She's, you know, trying to be my manager.
I am your manager. I am your manager.
So this is it, y'all. Y'all let me know what you think, what kind of job she did, and if I should have her do it one more time.
Or 8 more times.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm so funny. Excuse me. I can be her new comedian.
Because I need another comedian in my life.
You do.
But anyway, until next time, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Jodi, the manager extraordinaire, did my makeup today. And we are out. Until next time, LaTanya Kristina is out.
And so is Daughter.
Bye. Bye.